So I had one of these as a 13-year-old when I first got into Filofax. I found it in TK Maxx, and I saw someone selling it on Vinted again recently. Pretty much nearly brand new with the paper still. I miss Filofax using the paper and the boxes. And this is the Filofax Chino. It's made of Chino material. It's got the Filofax logo. It's got a little crest stud on the front that's engraved with the Filofax name. It's got teeny tiny little rings. It's a mini size, by the way. It's got this gusseted mesh pocket. The zip pull is broken, but the zip still does work, so I'm going to try and fix that. And it's got, not my favourite, but a secretarial pocket at the back with some instructions how to take care of the material. And what I found most interesting was this mini has, it's quite stiff, which I like, but it has a big back pocket in the back. I've not actually seen that on a mini before, but yeah, I thought that was quite sweet. It's tiny, and I'm looking forward to using it, and I've actually bought some inserts for it already, but they're not here yet, so I'll do an updated version once I get the inserts. Thanks for watching.